I don't want what everybody else has. What makes a great car? And instantaneously, it's rarity. Every car in the collection has a reason for being there or a story.
He's not a car collector, he's a patron of the arts. He cares about history, he cares about correctness, he cares about authenticity. It's not about money, it's not about time, it's about making sure it's done right.
We've done one car a year for him since the first time we took him out to Pebble Beach.
The first year, Vivian looks at me and she says, "Do you have any interest in doing a car show?" I said, "Yeah, I do." And she said, "Well, they've got the bluffs up in Michigan overlooking Lake Michigan." I said, "I don't want to do the bluffs." I said, "I want to go to Pebble Beach." She said, "Well, with the right car and the right restoration, we can get you to Pebble Beach."
Jack loves to win, so do I, don't get me wrong. We're both competitive, he and I get along with that, but he cares so much about the storytelling and the history of these cars. And a car like this, for me personally, I am beyond I'm just happy to be able to deliver this story to him and bring it to life, because he's been a wonderful man to us for the entirety of my time here.
Most of the owners over the years become very close to us because we are working on some of them. It might be the only car they've ever had, or they are large collectors like Jack is.
It's family at this point. Jack and his wife Laura have come down for Thanksgiving with our family, with our motley crew.
Travis better get on this and have some kids to have a generation coming up behind him to take care of my cars.
It's special that he's the guy, this is the car, this is the year, and all those things kind of coming together again to make for a really great story.